Yeah, it was a difficult game. Obviously, we didn't have a full-strength squad, but the boys who come in obviously worked very hard. To get the equaliser and then concede so early after that was gutting. But something we have to learn. Maybe the dark art's got to take him down. We just have to use this as a learning experience and learn from it. And if it happens again in the World Cup, close to the World Cup, we need to do what we need to do.
I guess it's the old saying, you're at your most vulnerable just after you've scored, and it was a night where the Netherlands, they really showed their quality, didn't they?
Yeah, they're a world-class team, and we're in this A-League now because we deserve to be testing ourselves against the best. And I think if you're at the tier below, you maybe get away with that at the end. It's where when you play the top teams, you don't do the things you need to do, you get punished. And it's hard to take, but it's one that we need to learn from. We're still a young team, and we have to learn from stuff like that and take it forward.
You're the leader of this group, you're one of the senior players. Today and against Poland, what have you made of the youngsters and how they've done?
Yeah, no, they've done amazing, played good football. We've stood up against the best teams, and we haven't got beaten badly. It's been unlucky twice, 2 late goals. But yeah, we need to learn from it. We need to that's the only thing I can say is to take the positives, and we'll learn from our mistakes, and by doing that we'll get better.
Gareth, thank you for your time. Diolch.
Thank you.